In this video, you'll learn how to create a WordPress website using AI. This process simplifies the website creation experience, allowing you to focus more on content and design rather than the technical details. Start by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once you are on the home page, look for the option labeled Sites in the top navigation bar. Click on this option to proceed to the Sites section. After accessing the Sites section, look for the button that says Create with AI. This option will guide you through the AI-assisted website creation process. Once you click Create with AI, a message will appear indicating that the foundations are being laid for your new website. This step prepares the back end for your site, and you may see a loading indicator during this process. Next, you will need to wait for the AI to load. During this time, be patient, as it may take a moment depending on your internet connection. A confirmation message will indicate when the loading is complete. Once the AI has finished loading, a message will prompt you to create a website as unique as you. This is your cue to start customizing your website's features. At this stage, type in the phrase "create an e-commerce website" in the provided text box. This input will help the AI understand your website's purpose and functionality. After typing your input, click on the Enter key to proceed. This action will allow the AI to process your request and begin generating relevant features for your e-commerce site. Following this, the AI will confirm that it can create an e-commerce website. You will see a message indicating this capability, ensuring you're on the right path. Next, type in the option to choose from the choices provided above. This selection will further refine the AI's understanding of your specific needs for the website. Again, click on the Enter key to confirm your choice. This step is essential for the AI to proceed with your specification. You will then receive a message asking what your website should be called, which is the site title that will show in the Browser tab. Type in the name that best represents your website. After entering the site name, click on the Enter key once more. This action will confirm your site title. Next, you will see a prompt asking for a short tagline or description that should appear in search results and social previews. This tagline should succinctly describe what you help people do. Type in your chosen tagline, then click on the Enter key to proceed. This tagline will enhance your site's visibility online. Following this, click on the Enter key again to confirm your tagline. This confirmation is crucial for the AI to finalize your input. Now, click on the button that says Create My Site. This action will initiate the final steps in setting up your website. You will then see a message that says, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the AI is currently working on building your websites. Next, wait for the site to generate. Depending on the complexity of your selections and your internet speed, this process may take some time. Be aware that this might take a while. It is important to maintain a stable internet connection during this phase to avoid interruptions in the setup process. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.